welcomes you. Once again, I am here in front of you towards the chapter number 5, which is Morphology of Flowering Plants. So, now let us proceed towards the structure of our typical flowering plants. Now, we are going to proceed towards the structures as shown on the board. I have pasted a simple structure of a flowering plants which you can see by our naked eye. This is a small plants of a Azardiana indica. Azardiana indica, you know, the common name of Azardiana indica is neem plant. Okay, so this is a simple structure, a simple small seedling of Azardiana indica, in which you can see the structure. This structure is called the root portion, which is a underground part of a plant. Okay, this is the underground part of the plant body, which is called root, and root is responsible for the storage of the food materials, mechanical supports, and they are also help in the respiration process. Okay, so they get modified when they get modified into the different parts like primary. This is the primary root or main root. You can say that this is the main root, differentiated into the secondary roots, and then after these secondary roots differentiated into the tertiary roots, and they are help in the storage of the food materials, respiration, and they are also provide the mechanical support to the plant body. And the upper parts, this is the uppermost part, which is called the shoot system, and in shoot system, stem portion, leafy portion, flower, seeds, they all are included in the shoot system. And what does it mean? What is the meaning of shoot system? Shoot means the external appearance, the external part of a plant which can be seen by our naked eye is called the shoot portion. Okay, so in this shoot portions, this is the stem portions, and in the stem portions, nodes or internodes are present. What is the nodes? Nodes is this small growing region of a plant body from where the new leaflets are arises. It's called the nodes. And what is the internode? The gap which is present between two nodes is called the internodal parts or internodal gap. So nodes and internodes are also present in the stem. Okay, the greenish portion which you can see by our naked eye, it is called the leaf portion. Okay, so leaf, stem, nodes, internodes, flowers and seeds, they are included in the shoot portion. Okay, this plant does not contain fruit and seed portion. This is only contains the root portion and shoot portion. In the root portion, primary, secondary and tertiary roots are differentiated, while on the other hand in the shoot system only stem portions and leafy portions are present. Okay, clear to everyone? I think it is clear to all about the structure of a plant body. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.